Good morning, friends, and happy Sunday. Today is Sunday. Today is the second round of this baby. So let me just talk a little bit more about this. I'm going to do the doors, give it its second coat, because I had a couple of questions asked. This is not, I just want to be clear on this, just in case you're interested. This isn't paint. It's actually a gel stain. It's a stain. So with that meaning that it works best on wood. So if you're trying to use this on a metal, on something that's metal, on a metal object, it's not going to really grab well because this is a stain, just like any other stain. So this works best on wood. So, you just clean up the, the wood surface that you're going to pass this on, and, or sometimes depending on how dirty the wood surface is that you're going to try to put this on, apply this to, it may need a light sanding so that so the stain can grab. So this only works on wood surfaces. Now, this comes in many colors, I just picked Java because that's what I like and what I wanted. But this comes in white. It comes in brown, different shades of brown as well. And I think it even comes in gray. I'm going to link this below. You'll find this also in my Amazon, which I always link down below. But I'm going to link this stain below because I purchased this in from Amazon. Now, it comes in different sizes as well. You can get a quart or you can get the pint. I think those are the only two sizes that it has. But go and check it out down below. And it's, it's affordable as well. But let me tell you something. A little bit goes a long way because it's a gel. So this applies really easy. And you don't need paint thinner to clean it up. You can just clean it up. I mean, honestly, when I apply this, and I apply it to, a surface where, like a wall or something like that, or it drips on the floor or something like that, I'm just using nail polish remover to wipe it up. I don't wait till it's dry, completely dry. Let's say on the floor, I wipe it up immediately and it comes right off. I am telling you. So this is really good stuff. So I'm gonna go and work on this baby now, and I see you guys a little bit later. Okay, so that was pretty much it's pretty much done, but I'm gonna start cleaning out this closet. So I found these rods, which is really nice. They're in good shape, but I don't have any need for them. I think I just brought them with me from the old place when we moved in here. And one of the reasons why I'm painting too, because you see this rug, this has to come out. So I just wanted to paint so they can, the floor has to be done. And this is just like our mud room. We just come in here, take our shoes off and stuff like that and hang our coats up. It's like a catch-all room, but I'm trying to, I don't want rug in here, and this is like 19, God knows when. But, so this fan also has to go. That's garbage. Alright, let's see what else we can find. Alright, look at the amount of crap that I have taken out of that. So, closet looks really good. This is a modem that needs to be, it's really old. It has to be discarded, but carefully. These are bags of DVDs and CDs. I mean, like, all of these movies now are like on Netflix and on demand. So I don't really need these. We don't really watch movies like that. And CDs and crap. I mean, you just hold on to crap, and this is more. So this is garbage. I've got a plastic bag here. I'm just gonna dump everything. So I think that's it. It's nice and clean. I cleaned the inside, and I'm gonna get rid of this and then finish painting. Okay, in the midst of me painting, which I'm pretty much done now, I still need to touch up. Actually, my daughter's touching up the window that I showed you yesterday, the kitchen window. But I received a package from Amazon, so I'm really excited to see what, well, I know what this is, but I hope that nothing is broken in here, because this is it's glass. All right, let's see. Okay, I don't know if you can see because of the light, but this is the second coat. Maybe that's a little bit better. Jeez. Anyway, it's looking really good. Really good. Really happy with it. So then we'll just pass the coat. I think this is enough. It doesn't need 3 coats. And then we'll just pass the clear glaze. And then that is it. But let me show you what I just received from Amazon. Aren't these beautiful? Oh my God, I'm so excited. So I kind of took a chance buying these because I didn't want them to arrive broken, but thank goodness. And let me tell you something, guys. I just ordered this. I placed this order last night, and I received it today. So it was 1-day shipping. And I'm gonna link these as well in my Amazon shopping. So you'll see it down below. I'm just gonna add these. These are absolutely gorgeous, and they're Tuscan, and I fell in love with them. And they come in, I think, 3 colors: brown, this cream color, and red. I think those are the only 3 colors it comes in, but they're 3 different sizes. And I purchased this because I did get rid of my K-cup tray to make a little bit more room on the counter. So I'll be using these instead, and I am in love with them. They are beautiful. All right, so I see you guys in a few. Let me just show you what the son-in-law installed for me. Isn't that pretty? I've always wanted one of those. And it's a two-way. It's a two-way clock. You see? Yeah, really happy with that. That is beautiful. And I got that from Hobby Lobby. I showed you guys in the video. It's finally up. So happy.